As someone who grew up on the Gulf Coast, my family has been deeply rooted in the Gulf area for decades. I've always seen this region as more than just home. It is a part of who I am. Over time, I came to truly appreciate its dynamic nature, its significance, and its resilience. This made me want to be a part of safeguarding its future, ensuring it endures for generations to come.
The Gulf Scholars Program is really for any undergraduate student who wants to apply their skills and has a passion for improving resilience and sustainability in the Gulf Coast region.
The Gulf Scholars Program intends to prepare students to be the next generation of change agents, of leaders, addressing major social and environmental challenges facing the Gulf region.
We really want to look at each of their different majors. Each in their own fields speaks differently, and we want them to be able to work together and to be able to listen to each other.
What we aim to get from this program is a new batch of Gulf leaders, scientists, engineers, the workforce, leaders.
By promoting collaboration between our young, innovative scholars and community organizations, the program strengthens the local workforce and drives economic growth within the region.
Being from Tallahassee, Florida, when I first joined the Gulf Scholar, I expected to learn about the people, culture, and the environment where I reside. But what I didn't expect was the ecosystem and the impact that we as a whole have on the environment and how we could be part of a bigger change.
Each student will work on something that we call the Gulf Impact Project, which helps the Gulf Scholars Program to evolve to address critical challenges and deliver real-world solutions.
One of the most rewarding projects that I worked on is planning out a biomedical research symposium. It pushed me to get in contact with professors and actually get knee-deep in the research that's being done within the Gulf. I also found it very rewarding to get an opportunity to connect students and professors and get the students excited about learning about medical research within the Gulf of Mexico.
Our project analyzed the progression of Houston climate data from 1850 to 2100, and we wanted people to be able to understand and relate to the information we collected. So we decided as a team to use art as an effective way to engage people of all backgrounds and created a comic book to tell the story of this climate data.
We have one graduating senior this semester, and he has studied seafood, restaurant menus, and cookbooks to see how the fish species that people find important for their meals may be connected to the health of the coastal ecosystems through time.
The Gulf Scholars Program is a 5-year initiative empowering Gulf colleges and universities to prepare future leaders to address the region's most critical challenges. Since 2021, 24 schools and universities across the Gulf Coast states have been engaged. With 180 active scholars and over 250 alumni, the momentum is undeniable. Scholars come from a diverse range of disciplines, from behavioral sciences to engineering, architecture to computer science, literature to business, and beyond. The program's impact continues to scale year by year. With each milestone, we, the next generation of changemakers, are preparing to work with communities and lead the way for a more resilient, sustainable, and thriving region.
We want students to understand how to make change happen, and the program achieves that through its key learning outcomes, such as innovation and entrepreneurialism, as well as intercultural knowledge and social responsibility.
This program is very interdisciplinary. We have folks from a whole variety of colleges across campus. We have a geologist, myself, we have an electrical engineer, we have an environmental scientist, a developmental psychologist. We even have an opera voice instructor.
Some of the key takeaways for students is that they become more conscientious and connected to the Gulf region, understand the diversity of the Gulf region so that they can work across the differences that exist and to become problem solvers, thinkers, actors to address these challenges.
Students should consider joining if they want to nurture their connection to the communities of people who call the Gulf their home.
Our view is that you can't separate the social science from the natural science in the Gulf of Mexico.
This program is much more than academia. It aims to create a sense of belonging and community.
It's all about the power of the collective.
The work they will do in this program will equip them with invaluable lifelong skills, research, presentation, collaboration with peers and faculty, and engagement with community activists, government, and nonprofits.
If you wanted to explore your personal interests, like the connection between your personal identity, personal interests with climate change or environmental issues, GSP is for you.
This program is truly transformative, cooperative, and empowering.
The big, hairy, audacious goal is that the Gulf Scholars Program attracts young minds to the Gulf who want to invest their lives and careers in sustaining and advancing the growth of the region.
Over the next 10 years, the Gulf Research Program, as one of its desired outcomes, is to prepare this next generation workforce. And so the Gulf Scholars are a key element to that.
In real estate, location, location, location is everything. In the same way, the institutions within the Gulf region have a vested interest in ensuring the areas where they are located continue to show resiliency and prosperity.
Support for the Gulf Scholars Program will lead to a brighter future for Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida, keeping them resilient and prosperous while protecting their invaluable natural resources.
From where we sit, the future looks bright, and we're very proud to have played even a small role in that future.